Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well-constructed 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-story house for sale. It is located in Knapdale in the Garden Parish of St. Anne, which is near to Brownstown community. It sits on 5.79 fertile acres of land, offering views of the sea, passing cruise ships, etc. Some other features of this house includes backup water tanks, spacious carport, kitchen, high ceilings, and open living space. The well-fruited property is a lovely home and more, with facilities for goat and chicken rearing on a medium to large scale basis. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.